Hi, Matt here. In this video we're going to show you how to check and replace your GE washer fill hoses if they're leaking. Over time the material can get weak, which can cause it to leak, and in serious cases even to burst. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix it. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this video we're going to be using a towel and especially fill hose pliers, but you can use any large adjustable pliers. Remember to always be safe. Make sure to unplug the washer or turn off the circuit breakers before you do any work on the appliance. Normally when you work on the fill hoses, you turn the water off, but since we're checking for leaks, we're going to leave it on. First thing we're going to do is go around back. Now that we're around back, we can inspect the fill hoses. We left the water on so we can see any water leaking out. You want to inspect the fittings for corrosion, see if there's any leaks from them. If it's leaking from inside right here, you might just be able to change out the rubber washer in order to get the leak to stop. Then we're just going to inspect the hose all the way to the washer. As we're inspecting the hose, we found a small leak and a bulge here, so we're going to change the hoses. Just want to shut the water off and then put a towel down on the floor to catch any water that may come out. Then we can grab the pliers and loosen up the fittings. Once you have it loosened up, you can just turn it by hand. Once you have these off the fittings, we can do the ones on the washer. Here's the old fill hoses next to the new ones. If you already have these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. The washers don't come installed, so you just have to push them into each end before we install them. Once you're ready, you can start screwing the hoses on the fittings by hand, then finish them up with the pliers. Then do the same thing on the other side. Just want to make sure you get the cold on the cold and the hot on the hot. Just want to start it by hand so you don't strip anything. Then we can tighten it down with the pliers so you don't get any leaks. Once you have the hoses installed, you can turn the water on, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Hopefully the new fill hoses took care of your leak. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions and change them out on a regular basis, which is usually every 5 years. And if you need new fill hoses, you can take your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com for the new ones. Most orders will get to your door in just a few days. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more appliance repair videos. Thanks for watching.